Hi guys, this video is going to be a bit of a mixture of bits put together. I've come out onto Durham Downs to test my spatial awareness, try and judge how far 50 meters is, 120 meters and 150 meters. So you'll see that in the video you'll see that I put some sticks out and did some measuring out that way to try and work out how far away 50 meters were, and then 120 meters, and then 150 meters, and then had a little fly with the SYMA X5C that a friend has given me. It didn't last very long, probably because the battery I put in it is not quite man enough for the job, but it did actually get us up in the sky for a few seconds. So yeah, it's actually a bit windier than I expected today. It doesn't look windy, but once you're standing out there, it was more than enough to trouble the drone. Anyway, enough waffle. I'll put the video together and see what I can make of it. Can you guess where 50 meters from here is, looking out that way? Hi guys, a little bit windy out here, so I'm not quite sure how well we'll be able to hear what I'm saying. Just looking at distances. Now, where my tape measure is there, just trying to keep the wind off the phone while I'm talking. I've just walked 120 meters. I don't suspect the camera will pick up where I've put my markers. Not right back to the road, I've actually come in from the road possibly about 20 meters. So we're probably about 140 meters from the road. Just getting some idea, or trying to get my head around the distances involved in the drone and model aircraft regulations. So at the moment, as I say, I'm standing 120 meters. Point, which is the height you can fly at, 400 feet. So I've got another 30 meters to go, or a quarter of what I've already done. Right, we're now 150 meters away from my marker, which is about 20 meters this side of the road. So if you look at those red cars, we're probably 170 meters from them. So this is the distance you should be away. Take that person there. If that person was a member of a group of 1,000 people, then that would count as the crowd that you have to be at least 150 meters away from. So yeah, that's a good judge. That's where you should start flying, as in where I'm standing is the closest your drone or your aeroplane, your glider, all model aircraft, that's as close as it should be flying to them. So you, as the pilot, should probably be standing, 50 meters away, because you're supposed to be 50 meters away from it. Although you can be closer when it's your own aircraft, and you should be flying that way. Straight away, I've got people in the way, trees, all sorts. Windy as well. So that's the clear area, but I've walked 150 meters away from the buildings, or the road. So my flying area is here. Happen, is it? thought it was worth coming out for a walk to try and get my head around the distances, because I can't measure 150 metres in my head. I couldn't even tell you 50 metres. We'll walk back and talk about the distances. So at the moment we're 150 metres, well, we're probably 170 metres from my red car over there on the road. So what sort of distance do you think we are now? Yes. Forgotten. I reckon 100 metres here, I'm guessing, very roughly. Because the other side of that path, about halfway between that person and that bush, is where I was standing on 150 metres. So if we call this 100, back there, yeah, we'll carry on. Easier. I left that branch because it was laying on the grass. Don't know if you can see my little markers, white markers. So the nearest one is 10 metres away. The next one's another 20, so that's 30 metres away. And then the one that's a bit taller, there's just somebody about to run past it. There we go, that's 50 metres. So I need to be at least that far away flying from any person. So if I'm standing over there, the nearest my drone should be is just here. So it could be flying there, we should be okay. From people. But how about structures? Which is the road, the houses, cars, vehicles. Am I having a rant? It wasn't intended to be. I was just trying to get some idea of distances. I'm standing here. Can you see where I've left that branch or twig? That's 50 metres away. Okay, let's run past. Okay, let's measure. Because I guessed 20 metres, I don't think it's 20 metres. We'll see. $16 meters. So I can stand on that mark and fly where that branch is. Can you see that even in this light? Right, this will be interesting. See if when you get any comments from dog walkers. You don't need any license for dogs anymore, do you? How many deaths by drone? None. How many deaths by dog? Ooh dear, we don't go there, do we? is my 50 metre mark. In fact, it's more than 50 metres because I've moved it now. It was just back that way a bit. So we're actually about, what was that, 15, 50, 60, we're about 80 metres away from the road. How far are we away from them? Ooh, that's probably only about 50. So we'll go over here. Ooh, somebody flying a kite. Probably won't be able to see that on my hat camera. Windy. Okay, we're in the air and it's windy. Whoa. Let's be honest, I did expect a little bit more than that. Faster mode now. Well, that just cut out then. Because I've no idea what that battery's like that I gave it. Could well be the battery's given up. It's just one I had on the desk that's the right size. No, we got nothing now. So I think that's that little battery's given up already. Yeah, nothing. Okay guys, anybody want to let me know which drone rule regulations I've broken? Feel free to comment. I'll tell you one thing, it's cold. Oh, November the 11th, I think. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.